You can call me a narcissist if it helps you through the day. You can make me the bad guy while you're the one playing games. You can tell everybody to be careful with me. You wanna win so bad you're losing your integrity. So don't you say I'm escaping my side of the story. I've owned my mistakes, yeah, told you that I'm sorry. You can never do the same, 'cause to you it's all a game. Well, you won, now I'm gone, with my soul under my arm. You're right, I write a bunch of songs. It's my way of moving on. Now you're back on the run, and I can see that I was wrong, 'cause the girl that I once loved is someone I made up. You can call me a parasite while I gave you all I had, but you know just as well as me, when you look in the mirror, you don't like who you see. You're terrified of being just like your mom, being soft as dumb can be, vulnerable. It's a shame that you've become the very thing you try to outrun. But at least you won, and I'm gone, with my soul under my arm. You're right, I write a bunch of songs. It's my way to moving on. Now you're back on the run, trying to convince yourself I'm wrong. But the girl that I once loved is someone you made up. Someone you made up. Someone you made up. You told people I'm your best friend. That's what hurts the most about the way you've let it end. The night you had my heart in your hands, did you even think about me before you press send? The first lie is something I can get over, but the second one, you had your chance, yeah, you did not tell me the truth until I asked you, are you sure? Then you tore apart what we had, replaced me with a stranger in your bed. How will I ever trust you again? And do you even understand the hurt that you cause now runs through my veins? And I gotta deal with all of this pain. You can never say that I didn't care, 'cause you're the one that broke our pinky swear. Guess it's easy to say I had you under a spell, so you don't need to take a hard look at yourself. Just keep running and show no remorse. I guess that's always been part of your course. You called me crying and begging to pick you up. Was that just you making use of my foolish love? 'Cause when I gave you what you need, you said that you could stand on your own 2 feet. Then you tore apart what we had, replaced me with a stranger in your bed. How will I ever trust you again? And do you even understand the hurt that you cause now runs through my veins? And I gotta deal with all of this pain. You can never say that I didn't care, 'cause you're the one that broke our pinky swear. is about you. I'm trying to forgive myself like you told me to do. And I guess you're moving on too. I didn't know how to receive your love, and it's not like you didn't give me enough. Broke off beautiful pieces of your own soul just to make me feel happy, make me feel whole. But it's late at night and I wonder if you could see me now, would you be proud? I'm doing all the things we dreamed about. Is it dumb that I'm still hanging on to us? Maybe it's time for me to adjust to being alone. You gave me more than I could ask for, yet I felt the need to keep slamming doors. No one ever meant to cause you harm, and it's good that we rang the alarm. Oh, but some nights I wish you would still be in my arms. I didn't know how to receive your love, and it's not like you didn't give me enough. Broke off beautiful pieces of your own soul just to make me feel happy, make me feel whole. But it's late at night and I wonder if you could see me now, would you be proud? I'm doing all the things we dreamed about. Is it dumb that I'm still hanging on to us? Maybe it's time for me to adjust to being alone. Talked about. Is it dumb that I'm still hanging